Hello, Rico the Wedding Singer here, and today I'm going to teach you how to crack your lower back with a towel. The first thing you do is wrap your towel like this, twist it so it'll be tight, and then put this behind your back, lower back, like so. Place both ends on the floor, and then put your hands on it like a grip, and put both hands down, and then you push yourself up for the crack. Remember to consult your doctor, physician, or chiropractor. I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.